Welcome you all. Matcha green tea. So, what is the use of matcha green tea? How you will make the matcha green tea? What makes the difference from the existing green teas available in the market? What kind of health benefits we will get from the matcha green tea? We will see in detail. If you are not yet subscribed my channel, please do now and please hit that bell icon to get the future notifications to watch the videos. Matcha as the matcha and green tea. As the days passes, our human life is already changing, and we are following the new trends and we are following the new way of our life. So matcha green tea is the health trend now because of its various varieties of advantages to our health. We will see that in detail what kind of health benefits we will get from this matcha green tea. So this matcha green tea is like from world green tea only. So this matcha green tea is completely 100% supplement of leaves. This matcha green tea is famous in Japan, and this matcha tea consists of different kind of health benefits. For example, if you want to protect from your body from the various kind of viruses, various kind of disease, so you require the more immunity power. So if you consume this matcha green tea every day, so it will improve your immunity power, so that you can protect from your body from the cancer disease, even from the liver disease also. And most importantly, the matcha green tea, if you consume every day irrespective of the age, so the brain function will be improved. How it will improve the brain function? So brain includes the alpha waves present inside. If the alpha waves movement will be very high, so your functioning of your brain will be very high. So this matcha green tea will boost to the alpha waves present in the brain. So because of that, the functioning of the brain as well as the concentration and focus as well as reaction time also improves. It is already proved. They conducted different kind of tests on different kind of people who consumed the matcha green tea every day and who not consumed. So it is completely proved that those who are consuming the matcha green tea, so their reaction time and their memory and their focus time and concentration improved. So that is one of the best remedy for the memory improvement, and also to protect from various kind of disease and viruses. We will see how to make this. It is also proved that the matcha green tea having the prevention capacity 137 times compared with other type of other type of green teas, especially for the cancer. Nowadays we are suffering, and as almost everyone is getting affected with cancer related issues. So why? Because our lifestyle is changed already. Why? Because we are consuming water every day with plastic water bottles. We are not consuming by glasses bottle. That is one of the major reason why we are getting the cancer nowadays. So that is to protect such kind of disease also. So if you consume this kind of matcha green tea, so it will prevent your cancer related issues as well as your heart related issues as well as your liver related issues. Now we will see how to make this matcha green tea. In everywhere it is available, especially in health stores as well as even in our coffee shops also. Yeah, now we will make the matcha green tea. Take the bowl, take the matcha green powder, open with spoon, make it filter, just to make it purified, just to take a nice matcha green tea powder. Just you can add little hot water, just stir it to get mixed with properly with water and powder. Now you can pour hot water, stir it again, so to get good delicious matcha tea. Yes, this is the delicious matcha tea. Yes, this is old fashioned, old method. Now you can take milk forming device. So with this milk forming device you will get very nice and effective matcha green tea. Let's see how it will work. Pour the water sufficient water, how much tea you will consume. Add the matcha green tea powder with required, make it on, so it will stir it completely. Wait for some time, so it will automatically stops. So this is the very fine and effective matcha green tea. Now we will see what health benefits we will get by consuming this matcha green tea every day. What happens to your body when you drink matcha green tea every day? So to truly understand how amazing this tea is, check out these top 10 health benefits of matcha green tea. 1. Increased brain function. So matcha green tea includes Lethain, is also beneficial for improved concentration and focus. It helps boost the brain's production of alpha waves, which increases mental alertness and clarity. There are many studies which are taken with this matcha green tea. So there are so many results came and that can improve memory, attention and reaction time. Second one, energy boost. So everyone we require the energy boost, energy required. If we are in the office or if you are in the work, so we used to get tiredness. So to get relief, we require some energy. So this matcha green tea sources of lutein and caffeine. So because of these two presence, you will get more energy if you consume matcha green tea. 3. Source of antioxidants. So the matcha green tea contains antioxidants of 1384 units per gram, which is the highest level of any leading superfood. These antioxidants may protect your cells against free radicals, which may play a role in heart disease, cancer and other diseases. 4. Calorie burner. So this is the best calorie burner for weight loss. Matcha green tea is a supplement to add your weight loss. Matcha green tea uses fat as an energy source for working out and naturally increases your metabolism. 5. Increased weight loss. Because of its calorie burning abilities, many have shed body fat when drinking matcha tea on consistent basis. Matcha also helps to increase the hormone responsible for feeling full. Sixth, liver protection. So matcha tea can reduce enzymes in liver which can cause liver damage. So other studies also suggested that matcha green tea can reduce risks of liver disease and eye damage prevention. And also matcha green tea has 130 times cancer preventing agents than other green teas. 7. Immune system boost. Matcha green tea also helps to strengthen the immune system and protects against various injections and also stop the growth of various ailments such as influenza A virus, strep throat and hepatitis. 8. Better skin care. Matcha can use for several healing properties of skin including anti-aging, increased skin elasticity and more. These benefits can be achieved from consuming hot matcha green tea or through any generally used face masks. 9. Detoxifying properties. Matcha green tea gives its extremely high level of chlorophyll. Chlorophyll can help detox the body by naturally removing heavy metals and chemicals from the body. Matcha green tea can be easily added to generally used detox drinks. 10. Improved joint health. This is one of the best requirement for our body. So there are many studies suggested that matcha can also reduce effects of joints and joint pain. So drinking green tea consistently have also been shown to maintain bone strength. These are all the various different types of benefits you will get from the matcha green tea. Thank you. Subscribe my channel, share with your friends, your family and write the comments. and most importantly, make your day as great day. Thank you.